Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is saute our onions, our celery, and our garlic. And so basically you just want to mix all the rest of the ingredients. And I use a vitamixer. You can use your blender, you can mix them in your food processor if you want. Now because I'm making 2 batches, and I kind of like to turn it on low, and I do that because we'll talk later. Okay, so the next step is to just pour all of your ingredients. It's like the easiest and my most favorite soup ever. I don't know why I don't make it more often. But I tell you, when I grew it with the broccoli, when I made it with the broccoli I grew outside, oh my gosh, you can't compare. That's it, I need to go outside and check my little baby broccolis and see how they doing. So I'm gonna pour that in there. And the rest of the milk that I didn't get a chance to pour. The soup is very creamy. Now I'm gonna add my broccoli. No need to worry because the broccoli is going to cook down a little bit, and we're going to stick blend when the broccoli is all tender. So we're going to turn up the heat a little bit so we can get like a little summer action going on. You got to make sure that you stir this soup frequently so that it doesn't burn. Alright, so I'm just going to turn it down and let it simmer till all the broccoli is tender, making sure to keep stirring it. So I believe I am ready to stick blend. And if I would have cut my florets a little bit smaller, then that would make less work. It's not that. This is the best soup ever in life. I am making a video. You know, when you stick blended according to your preference. My husband likes chunky pieces, so that's why I did it like this. But I usually make it all this consistency. Right, this soup is delicious. It's super creamy. It's cheesy. It's got a nice spice to it. And the broccoli is nice and tender. And I do think I like it with the actual nice big chunks of broccoli in it. Next time I'll maybe cut the florets a little smaller if I plan on keeping them. Maybe like to this size, bite size. But this is delicious. I hope you make it. If you do, please let me know. Thanks for watching.